At a large refining facility, fouling in the reformer convection section had caused a gradual increase in stack temperature from 122 degrees Celsius to 176 degrees Celsius, reducing throughput during high temperature periods. IGS deployed the TubeTech robotic cleaning system, which entered the convection bank to remove fouling from all tube surfaces using low-volume, high-pressure water lancing. Temporary containment was installed below the section to collect debris and protect the refractory. After cleaning, stack temperature returned close to design values and production increased by approximately 9%. The system has maintained stable performance since cleaning. Efficiency restored. Throughput increased. That's asset vitality.